Welcome to Study Loop.
Here we have a massless rod, and at the end of the massless rod we have a mass that is hanged, and the length of this rod is L. It makes an angle theta here, theta. The force of gravity is acting downward, so the weight of the force will be downward, which is mg, and the component of this force will be horizontal and vertical component. Vertical component we have is mg sine theta. So the torque will be T mg sine theta times force. This is the force times the L, length of the rod. So substituting a values, mg L sine theta, we have 0.75 times 9.8 times 1.25 times sine 30. This gives us a torque of 4.6 Newton meter.